have applications where they use the water-cooled systems in high-rise buildings where they wouldn't ordinarily be able to use an air-cooled condensing unit because of noise regulations. If there's water-cooled available, then they could, install this on the 20th floor of a condo,
Right.
something like that.
And you could put it on a shelf in the bedroom closet.
It's more common with commercial buildings because they have the water available more often. For instance, right now we're doing one for a customer that has connected with the architect firm that's doing a lot of major restaurants, and one is a particular steakhouse chain that's opening several stores right now, and they're using water-cooled condensing units for all the cellars in their restaurant, and they actually have 6 in this one restaurant, and 2 of them are quite large. One of them is a 2-story glass unit, and it's all being done with water-cooled condensing units because they have that availability.
Through the Northeast and Midwest, they're doing a lot of home construction now where they're using what's called a geothermal loop.
Okay.
They're actually pulling groundwater, running it through the loop, and then returning it back down into the ground. And they're putting the central air conditioning for the home on it and stuff like that. And years ago, we sold a lot of condensing units with water-cooled condensers and heat recovery systems on them, that after the water went through the condenser, we pulled the excess heat out of it as much as we could, and they used that for heating the hot water in the building, and that went to hotels. And with the water-cooled condensing units and the heat recovery systems, they were getting 75 to 85% of the heating they need for their hot water to supply the restaurants. So it literally reduced their electric bills. The initial installation was a little more expensive, but long term, they saved a lot of money. That they got 20% of what they saved on their electric bills for 10 years.